Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good day, and I'm not trying to mock this stock. I'm not trying to be sarcastic, and maybe it is setting the bar kind of low, but when you just think about the history of this thing over the past few weeks, what it did today, is not a guarantee of anything, but it's certainly kind of a breath of fresh air. And what did it do? It actually just went sideways. The price came down a little bit here this morning, but after that, did a good job, bounced up, and then just chopped sideways the rest of the day, which brings about a couple little updates I'm going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is just kind of adjust this level down because it's become very apparent now that 75 cents very well may be some sort of bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because a price starts to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed it is the bottom. My point here is it's at least a valid. It has now become a rational thought to have to start to question, hey, maybe just maybe the bottom is finally in. Because again, at least the price just started to go sideways as opposed to, what it's been doing with new low after new low after new low after new low. So, we'll see what happens with it. But 75 cents now becomes very, very important for a very simple reason. If this is the bottom, well, then by definition, by default, you don't want to see the price going any lower because that would be the exact opposite of the bottom. And going any lower relative to what? Well, relative to 75 cents. So, if the price just blasts down through there, well, then at that point, basically everything I've talked about right now about this potentially being the bottom goes out the window. But as of now, again, not guaranteed bottom, but a rational thought to have, yeah, maybe this is the bottom. And then the next bit of confirmation that this is, indeed a bottom and that there is power that is returning to the stock would be, can the price get up above 83 cents and stay above it, which is the value of that red line there and the key level of resistance moving forward. So definitely a very interesting dynamic here. Good solid volume, got some sideways price movement. So maybe this is finally some sort of bottom. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.